Ilaria, I guess. How to get clients or customer to choose you for in-depth wellness trainings and experiences above the other profiles that spend more time, more training, more resources on social marketing instead of, I think Ilaria has used better up their products here, but I'm guessing they mean making better quality products.
I think she means like upping, like, hey, Fred, I'm giving you big ups. I'm like lifting you up. I'm raising your profile in the community. I'm giving you a shout out.
Okay. So they continue with, we will have five-star reviews with this particular place project, but wellness place and hotels don't see our value, but they see the fashion Kardashian popularity instead. How to empower the people that invest in better up their services instead of their followers.
Well, you don't need social media. That's the very first thing. And in fact, if you're looking for clients quickly, I would urge you to stop all social media and take that same time and put it elsewhere. Social media is not excuse me, social media is not the long-term solution. Oh, sorry, it is a long-term solution. It's not the short-term fix. So mostly I would recommend checking out Bradley Morris's work. So Bradley Morris, How to Market Without Social Media, How to Grow Your Business Without Social Media on YouTube. Check that out. He's got a number of resources. If you want to grow your business as a service provider and you don't want to do social media or you want to grow it without it, then it's mostly just getting in front of your hubs and your ideal clients and sharing your point of view and making the case for your perspective, for your approach. It's again, it's not even making the case for you, for them to hire you. It's just saying, if you're going to try to solve this problem, here's the approach that we recommend. This is the approach that we think is best. And that can take a lot of different forms. It can be one-on-one meetings with hubs where you get together with them. It could be a hub hosts you to do a presentation for their people, and you get in front of their people and you do the signature workshop where you share some of the core of this. There's a number of ways to do it, but that's the main thing. It Unless you really want to dig into the social media game and get good at it and invest in it, then I just wouldn't be competing with people who that's what they're doing. I would instead be going directly to the hubs, going directly to the people. The social media, what it's great at is when people stumble across you, but they're not quite ready to work with you and they just want to check you out from a distance for a while. It's fantastic for that. It's fantastic at establishing safety and keeping nurturing the relationship so that when you do a promotion, these people are more likely to respond long term in the long game. The short term, just go direct. That's what I would say.
And if you're watching this, Ilaria, I linked to an interview that Tad did when he hosted Bradley T. Morris within the membership. You'll find it on YouTube. If you go looking through Tad's channel, look for Bradley T. Morris, and also it's in the Facebook page somewhere as well. We have one, two, three, five more questions, Tad. I want to be mindful of your time. They're all niching things, I think.
Let's keep going.
Okay, right, let's go then.